Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's jump right into the charts, shall we? Today, we are looking at DGB to USDT, and wow, it has delivered a really powerful breakout from its recent accumulation range. This is signaling that buyers are finally beginning to regain control after months of consolidation, which is exactly what we like to see. We've got a strong bullish candle, and this awesome surge in momentum suggests that market sentiment is officially shifting in favor of the bulls. Now, if the price can hold above that key support zone of 0.0032 to 0.0035, the next upside targets come in around 0.0040, followed by 0.0050. And hey, if we see a larger breakout, that could open the door all the way towards 0.0072. Of course, continued buying volume and a successful reclaim of the major moving averages would just further strengthen this bullish case. But as long as key support holds, DGB appears very well positioned for a sustained recovery. This makes it one of the more interesting breakout charts to watch in the coming weeks. Now, are you looking for daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Simply DM me the name of your favorite cryptocurrency and I'll personally provide a detailed technical analysis just for you. You can also visit our Patreon page. Just click the link in the description to join our amazing premium community and unlock exclusive trading content. If you're enjoying these crypto updates, please do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading ideas and market analysis. And finally, a quick reminder from me to you. This is technical analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any investment decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!